I'm Princess Estremera. I'm gonna show you how to proper clean a blender. But first of all, I will show you what I use to clean the blender and what are the three main types of blenders. Now I have shown you the three types of blenders, which is a countertop, immersion, and personal blender. So now I will show you how to properly clean the blender. As you can see, one of the countertop blenders that I will use. So as you can see now, there are a lot of stains on the blender that I will clean. So the first thing I will do, if the blender is too dirty or a lot of stains, we can use baking soda and hot water. But if the stain is not very dirty or just a little, we can use this washing liquid and hot water. After blending the mixture of this washing liquid and hot water, take a sponge and clean around the blender. Be sure to sponge slowly, especially on the blade side of the blender, because the blade might injure your hand. When finished cleaning with sponge, rinse well and soak the other parts of the blender. After that, wipe them with a dry and clean towel. After waiting for 1 minute, take another clean and dry towel, wipe the blender and also wipe the other parts of the blender. It is acceptable to use a damp rag to wipe the electric cord also, but you have to be sure to unplug the base first. Lastly, protect the blender with a fabric cover and put the blender in a cabinet. Put it somewhere with plenty of space so that you don't damage any parts of it.